As I'm sure you can see, there's a whole lot of information on the screen behind me, so let me talk you through it. First of all, in the middle you can see the answers to the questions, A, B, C, D and so on. To the right of the answer you've got the timing where you'll hear the answer in each recording. If you can't see any timings, it's because the answer comes from a number of different places in the listening, and as a result there's simply not enough space in the box to put in all of the timings. Please note that the recordings I've used to take the timings from are the audio files you can download from Macmillan once you follow the instructions given to you at the end of your coursebook. Lastly, because the questions are on different tracks, I've also put the number of the track where you'll find each listening on the left-hand side. To explain why the answers are the answers, I'll tell you the part of the listening which directly relates to the answer. Hopefully you'll very quickly see how the vocabulary in the question connects to the clips from the listening. So make sure you've got your coursebook open at the right page now. I'm going to be moving through these questions quickly, so please pause the video and rewind it as many times as you wish to make sure you understand where those vocabulary links are. If, however, you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me through the contact form on this website and I'll do my best to help you out. Okay, let's go. For question 1, the answer is A. There are some key pieces of information that we hear in the listening which tell us that it's a wedding. For example, the big event, a church, guests in hats, the bride and groom, and the reception, which is the party after the wedding. Put all of these together and it can only be a wedding. For question 2, the answer is F. There is one main phrase which tells us that it's either a school or something to do with an examination, and that phrase is, "We have rules, and the rules are there to prepare young people for the reality of the world of work." The vocabulary that also points towards the fact that we're talking about an exam is the reference to sitting exams and candidates. In other words, people who do the exams. For question 3, the answer is D. The key vocabulary that we can hear to identify a sporting event is championship, spectators, seeing women play, beating opponents, and winning several major titles. For question 4, the answer is G. In this listening, the key vocabulary which identifies that we're talking about a job interview is look at his examination results. And we've got to think about this in the context of being qualified or not for the role. And to take him on, in other words, to employ him. Vocabulary which might indicate a place of work, the place where someone might be at a job interview, are our clients and wearing something a little more formal. For question 5, the answer is B. Here, the key vocabulary that identifies a friend's birthday party is celebration, coming of age, and a present I was going to get for Jane, presumably a birthday present.